Welcome to the GameCode Build Your Own Game arcade machine. If you're here, it means you're ready to begin creating a game of your own design. In this area, you won't find any step-by-step building or coding instructions. What you create in this space is entirely up to you. But before you start placing blocks and working in MakeCode, there are a few things to consider in order to successfully bring your Minecraft game concept to life. Keep in mind everything you have learned and utilized up until this point. In each of the other arcade machines, we practiced using some very specific coding concepts, such as events, loops, conditionals, functions, arrays, and more. You'll be using many of these in order to bring your game from concept to reality. When we first head to the Build Your Own Arcade machine from the lobby, we are greeted by an NPC named Bayan, which is where you might have clicked to find this video. But the resources shared by this character are a little different from what is available in the other machines. Let's start with the guide. This guide will walk you through the design process in order to ensure you have considered all that needs to be done to make your game fun and functional. You'll need to brainstorm the purpose of the game, how it will work, what coding concepts will be needed, and how you plan to keep track of your progress. You'll also need to consider how to improve your game based on player feedback. The guide will help you organize your ideas and take you through the steps from planning to deployment. Additionally, the NPC has a button for a rubric. A rubric can be used to evaluate or score your build, but it is also a powerful tool when making sure you have addressed all the components that will make your game a great one, and that you have demonstrated all that you have learned. A teacher might use it as a way to determine how you have applied new knowledge, but you can also use it in much the way game developers do for quality control. Does your game function as intended? Can your code be understood by others? Have you considered how to best organize and document your code so you can easily make changes based on player feedback? It's up to you now. Plan, design, conceptualize your code, and develop your game. Test and get feedback from others in order to iterate and make improvements. Finally, deploy your game and see how your audience responds. You are the developer, and this is your chance to bring your game concept to life. Make something fun and have fun doing it.